In this video, I'm going to test and compare the Cine Reflect lighting system from the Lightbridge. This is their See-Go kit, which includes 6 different reflectors at 3 different sizes. Taking a look at our setup today, we have the Cine reflectors about 6 feet away from our subject, and the Forza 500 is actually at the base of the C-stand. So all in all, you get a fall off that's about 10 feet away from the subject. So the first reflector I'm going to take a look at is the 15 centimeter Diffusion 1. Now this is the harshest and the smallest of the reflectors. When I put it up to the light, you can see I get a very narrow beam of light. This gives you a lot of control and freedom to easily manipulate your light. And as I put my hand up to block the light, you can see just how harsh the lighting is. And when I step out of the light and walk through, you can see just how narrow that beam of light is as well. Next reflector is the Diffusion 2, which is also in the 15 centimeter size. Now this is a level up in diffusion, so it's going to be a tad softer, but you're also going to lose a little bit of light. We went from f13 down to f11. And as I walk through the light, you can see I basically have a little bit more wiggle room as far as coverage goes. And here are the 2 smallest reflectors side by side. This will give you an idea of the differences between the output as well as the diffusion. Stepping up to the mid-size in this kit is the 25 centimeter. Now we start off at Diffusion 2, and off the bat you're going to get more brightness as well as more coverage when you deal with a bigger reflector. So here I'm at exposure of f13 despite having the same diffusion level as that 15 centimeter version. As I walk through, you can see the difference in coverage as well. The next reflector is the Diffusion 3 at 25 centimeters. This is also the purple reflector. As we step up in the diffusion, we also get a softer quality of light. You can see how much more spread that light is falling onto that background. Shadows are a bit softer as well as you have more coverage. And side by side, you can see how drastic the differences between the exposure and the softness is between Diffusion 2 and Diffusion 3. Moving on to the biggest size in this kit, which is the 50 centimeter. Now we start off at Diffusion 3 this time around, and as I articulate this reflector around, you can see how easy it is to manipulate that light source, even with this much coverage. Holding my hand up to the light, you can see how much softer those shadows truly are. And this reflector is still giving us a ton of output and wiggle room at an f11. Moving on to Diffusion 4, this is the white reflector, and this by far is the most drastic and is my favorite out of the whole kit. Just see how soft the quality of this light truly is. This reflector also has a ton of spread, so if you need to cover a wide area, this is the reflector that you would want to pick up. Now dealing with this level of softness, we do drop an exposure down to an f5.6, but I still feel it provides enough exposure for most cases. And now with each reflector side by side, you can get a true sense of the different effects each Cine reflector has. That's the end of part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and also let me know what you'd like to see with this kit. Thanks for watching.